Have you ever felt like giving up on learning English? Like maybe you are just not good enough? I want to tell you something important today.
Yes, I have felt that way many times. Sometimes learning English feels so hard, but I learned something that changed everything for me.
Tell me about it. What helped you keep going? I think many people feel lost when learning English.
The first thing I learned is that feeling confused is normal. Every English learner feels this way sometimes. You are not alone in this journey.
That is so true. I remember thinking other people were smarter than me. But then I realized everyone starts from the beginning. We all make mistakes when we learn.
Exactly. Making mistakes is how we learn and grow. When I started speaking English, I made so many errors, but each mistake taught me something new.
I love that mindset. How do you stay motivated every single day? Some days I just do not feel like studying.
Oh, I understand that feeling completely. On difficult days, I remind myself why I started learning. Maybe you want to travel or get a better job.
Yes, having a clear reason helps so much. I also set very small goals for myself. Maybe today I will learn just 5 new words. Small steps lead to big progress.
That is brilliant advice. I used to try learning everything at once, but now I focus on one thing each day. Maybe today is vocabulary, tomorrow is listening practice.
Perfect. And you know what else helps me? I celebrate every small win, George. Did you understand one sentence in the movie today? That is amazing progress.
I never thought about celebrating small wins before. We're often too hard on ourselves, right? Every new word we learn matters so much.
Absolutely. And here is another secret that changed my life. I found English content that I actually enjoy. Music, funny videos, or simple stories about topics I love.
That makes learning feel like fun instead of work. When you enjoy what you're doing, time goes by so fast. What kind of content do you like best, Eva?
I love watching cooking videos in English. The language is simple and I learn useful words. I also listen to calm English music before sleeping.
Cooking videos sound wonderful. I enjoy watching travel videos about different countries. Simple English and beautiful places make me feel happy while learning.
See how different we are, but we both found our way? There is no perfect method for everyone. You need to find what makes you excited about English.
That is such an important point. Some people like reading, others prefer listening or speaking. We should not copy other people exactly.
Right, and can I share something that really helps on bad days? I keep a journal of my progress. Even tiny improvements count.
A progress journal sounds amazing. Sometimes we forget how much we have already learned. Looking back can give us strength to continue forward.
Yes, write down new words you learned this week, or maybe you spoke English for 2 minutes today. These moments are victories worth remembering.
I also think having patience with yourself is so important. Learning a language takes time, Eva. We cannot become fluent in 1 month or even 6 months.
Patience is everything, George. Some days you will feel amazing. Other days you will struggle. Both feelings are completely normal and okay.
And you know what I tell myself when things feel too hard? I say, you are braver than you think. Learning English takes real courage.
I love that, George. Learning a new language is one of the most challenging things a person can do. You should feel proud of yourself for even trying.
Exactly, and I think consistency matters more than perfection. Studying English for 10 minutes every day is better than 3 hours once per week.
Yes, small daily habits create amazing long-term results. Even if you only practice for 5 minutes, you are still moving forward. Progress is progress.
And speaking of daily habits, I try to use English in my regular life. Maybe I think in English while walking, or I describe my breakfast in English.
That is such a smart way to practice. You can practice English anywhere, anytime, in the shower, while cooking, or walking to work.
It makes English feel like a natural part of life, not something separate or scary that only happens during study time.
Exactly. And what do you do when you feel frustrated or stuck? Sometimes I feel like I am not improving at all.
Oh, those plateau feelings are so difficult. When I feel stuck, I try something completely new, maybe a different type of video or a new English app.
Changing your routine can wake up your brain again. Or sometimes I go back to easier content for a few days. There is no shame in reviewing basics.
Reviewing is not going backward, it's building stronger foundations. Even advanced speakers review grammar and vocabulary sometimes.
That is so true. And I think comparing yourself to others is dangerous. Everyone learns at their own speed.
Comparison really can steal your joy and motivation. Your English journey is unique to you, Eva. Focus on your own growth, not other people.
Yes. And remember, native speakers also make mistakes and learn new words every day. Perfect English does not exist, even for native speakers.
That takes so much pressure off, right? We're all just trying our best. Making progress is more important than being perfect.
Absolutely. And I want to remind everyone listening that having an accent is beautiful. Your accent tells the story of where you come from.
That is such a beautiful way to think about accents. Your accent makes you special and unique. Never be ashamed of how you sound.
Right. Clear communication matters more than perfect pronunciation. If people understand you, you are succeeding at speaking English.
And you know what, Eva? I think every English learner should find a community. Online or in person, having support makes everything easier.
Community is so powerful, George. When you see other people struggling and succeeding, you realize you are not alone in this challenge.
Exactly. We can encourage each other on difficult days and celebrate together when someone reaches a new goal.
And speaking of goals, I think it's important to adjust your goals sometimes. If something feels too hard, make it smaller. If something feels too easy, challenge yourself more.
Flexibility in goal setting is so wise. Your needs and abilities change as you learn. Your goals should grow and change with you.
Yes, and I want to say something important about motivation. Motivation comes and goes, but habits stay with you.
That is so true, Eva. On days when you don't feel motivated, your good habits will carry you forward. Motivation starts the engine, but habits keep you driving.
Perfect way to say it. Build strong daily English habits. Then even on tired or busy days, you'll still make progress.
And remember, progress is not always visible immediately. Sometimes you study for weeks and feel like nothing is happening. Then suddenly, everything clicks.
Yes, learning happens in waves, not straight lines. Trust the process even when you can't see the results yet. Your brain is working behind the scenes.
As we finish today, I want to say something to everyone listening. You are braver and stronger than you know.
George is absolutely right. Learning English is not easy, but you chose to do it anyway. That shows incredible courage and determination.
Every day you study, every mistake you make, every small win you celebrate, you are becoming a better version of yourself.
You are not just learning English. You are opening doors to new friendships, new opportunities, and new parts of yourself.
And please remember, you are not alone on this journey. Millions of people around the world are learning English right alongside you.
We believe in you. We see your hard work. We know you can do this. Keep going, keep practicing, and never give up on yourself.
Tomorrow is a new day to practice, to learn, and to grow. You have got this, and we are cheering you on every single step.